Karela Fish Egg. What is the recipe? You have to watch till end.
So, to prepare the MaddyBee or Korola Bhaji, let's see what are the ingredients I am using. So, these are the Korola or Karela bitter gourd cut into this kind of pieces, and I have 2 Karela and I just soak it in salt and water for 30 minutes so that the bitterness will be reduced. And this one is fish egg or MaddyBee. So here this is 100 grams and I'm using the Katla fish egg. If you don't have Katla, you can use another that rohu fish as well, not an issue. So the other thing I'm using over here, this is potato and sliced like this. Again I soak this potato for at least 10 to 15 minutes in salt water, and the spices I'll show it. So this is very simple one. This is turmeric and salt, and this is cumin or Zeera powder freshly ground, and I'm using the red chili, not red chili, the Kashmiri Red powder. You can use red chili if you want spicy. And this is ginger+Garlic Paste, and I'm using this one red chili and lots of onion, sliced onion actually. So let's start the cooking. Before I start the cooking, I have to prepare the spices. So cumin powder, ginger+Garlic Paste, and Kashmiri Red powder, salt and turmeric powder, and I will make a paste. So I have to add some water in it, little bit more, and I will keep it aside. Let's make a paste. So in between I will fry the potato and bitter gourd as well. So I will rest it for a couple of minutes. In entire cooking I am using the mustard oil. Heat the oil at first and I will fry this potato and I will keep it aside. I am not going to fry the bitter gourd at first because the oil can be bitter. That's why first I will fry this potato and then I will fry the bitter gourd. So let's fry it and I'll get back. Let me check potatoes are done or not. Okay, it's almost fried. So I'll switch off the gas and now I will keep it aside and I will fry the bitter gourd. So very carefully. So the remaining oil is already hot, so very carefully I will add this bitter gourd and give it a stir, and I will fry it. I have to cover it up. Let me check the bitter gourd is done or not. Yes, it's fried already. So now again I'll switch off the gas and I will keep this aside. So it's done, fried. The recipe is very easy and one of my favorite recipes. So the final part of the cooking, the oil is really very hot and I don't need any more oil. I am adding this sliced onions. Why I am using onions, garlic, ginger in this recipe? As because we are using the fish egg, MaddyBee, which has stinky flavor, and I am using bitter gourd in this recipe. That's why we cannot use any lime or any sugar. Even I cannot use vinegar as well. So that's why I am using this ginger+Garlic Paste in it, and it will have an unique flavor. So I have to cover it again and I have to fry it till these onions are transparent. So it won't take much time. Let me check the onions are done or not. Yes, this is transparent. I don't need crispy fried or beresta. So right now I am using the paste. Low flame, and I have to add these spices. and I have to add little bit of water so that the spice won't burn, and I have to cook till the oil will come out. Just give it a stir, proper stir, and now I will add some water. And again I'll cover it up. Let me check the spices are done or not. Yes, it's thoroughly cooked. And now I will add this fish egg and give it a stir. Stir it properly and add this fried bitter gourd and potato and cover it properly. And this point of time I will add some water again so that it will cook properly. Let me check everything is done or not. Yes, it's almost done. Now I will add this red chili, and as it will be the bhaji, so I need to stir it well so that the gravy will be dried up. So I have to stir it. And always do at this point of time, I just add a pinch of Garam Masala powder in it. So that is my secret, which is not a secret right now anymore. So give it a stir, and as I said, it's a bhaji, so it will be a dried curry type of thing, no gravy, a bhaji. So that will be, as we say, bhaja bhaja. So little bit of cooking, not much, and we will be done very soon. Macher Dim Korola Bhaji is done and it's ready to serve. So you just go through the recipe properly, and in the description box I'll definitely mention the ingredients what I'm using over here. So thank you for watching Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel. So I'll be back with the garnished version. Thank you.
Hope you enjoyed this unique recipe. Basically this recipe is from Bangladesh, and I always cook and share the recipe around the world. I love it. And this recipe I shoot in 2024 May, and I'm uploading in 2026. So even this recipe was added in my regular meal in menu, so people loved it. That's why I shared the recipe. Now you can have it at home wherever you are staying.